Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum. Are you all doing well? Yes? Okay. Guys, are you excited about my videos? Yes? I heard yes. Oh, thank you. But still, I need your blessings. To bless me, make sure to subscribe my videos to your friends and relatives. Ask them to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up, like my videos. Now I'm going to start. I have taken 2 onion chopped, pomegranate, coriander leaves, salt to taste, grapes, 200 ml of curd, 250-gram cooked rice, mustard, curry leaves, grated carrot, sliced cucumber, 2 chilies, 1 tablespoon of oil. Guys, I hope you all enjoying. I have taken here 1 big bowl. I am adding rice to it. We want mashy consistency, so I am mashing here. Mash as you would like. Because it gives good binding to the curd. Once it's mashed, add onion. I have taken 2 onions chopped. Whenever you are adding ingredients, mix well. I have added coriander. I am adding half teaspoon of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. I am adding sliced cucumber without seeds, grated carrot, half of the grated carrot. Mix it well. Because all the ingredients should get mixed well. We are going to consume this directly, so I am mixing well. Now I have taken curd. I am adding half teaspoon of salt and mixing. Add curd to the rice. Give this a good mix. Add curd frequently. Whenever you are adding curd, give a mix. Add all the curd. of 200 ml. If it is very dry consistency, you can add little bit water. If it is a proper consistency, no need to add water. So here my consistency is very proper, so I am not using any water. Finally, mix it well. Add pomegranate, after mixing completely, keep aside. Here I am using Prestige cooktop. Keep tadka pan on the cooktop. It's very easiest to use. Now I am going to add oil. I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heated, add mustard seeds. After cracking, add curry leaves. Add chilies. Be careful when you are adding chilies because it's going to pop up. You remove your tadka pan from the cooktop once and keep again. Now our tadka is ready. I am going to add this to our curd rice. I have added. Now I am using pomegranate and grapes for garnishing because these two fruits gives good look to our curd rice. If you want to add black grapes, you can add black grapes. It gives good look too. Whichever will be available, you can use it. So finally our curd rice is ready to serve. This is the final look of our curd rice. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.